In my career on Wall Street, cultivation of talent was really important. Developing talent internally, recruiting talent externally, recruiting new talent, recruiting experienced talent. When you think about BlockFi and the space in general, you have a lot of needs in the different types of talent, whether it's tech, younger generation, kind of experienced people. How do you think about the development and hiring of that talent?
I think we're fortunate to be in an industry that is very interesting and new and growing at a rapid clip. So when we post roles, we get a ton of applicants, regardless of what the role is. And we're really looking for people that have an intersection of skill sets between understanding crypto, at least at a personal level, some level of expertise in traditional financial markets, whether that's lending or equities or trading or something else, and also the capacity to work at a high growth startup, which comes with a level of hard work and ambiguity that isn't necessarily present at the types of firms where you may have gotten some of that financial services experience, namely at large banks. So those are the things that we screen for, and we've been really fortunate to, especially at the senior level, get in fantastically talented and experienced people. And then what that enables us to do is cultivate younger talent, people coming right out of school, or they've done a year or two at a bank, so they don't have the level of expertise that someone more senior does, but they over-index on the interest in cryptocurrencies.
Getting involved in the space, you mentioned you bought Bitcoin, Ethereum, as did I, got bitten by the bug, and we were somewhat successful in that, you probably more than I. That said, there are other ways to get involved in the space. And when somebody says, well, how do I get involved, Zach? How do you answer that question?
Yeah, so one of the things I say is that there's been some new products that have come out recently that have made it incredibly easy and risk-free and cost-free to get your hands on some Bitcoin. So the two that I talk to people about the most are a company called Lolli, L-O-L-L-I. Basically, you can earn Bitcoin when you shop online, and another one called Pay, P-E-I.
Okay.
So you can get some Bitcoin by using one or both of those two products by just doing the everyday shopping that you already do online or in store. Once you have some Bitcoin on either one of those platforms, you can transfer it over to Coinbase and buy other crypto assets. You can transfer it to BlockFi and earn 6% interest. Once you have some Bitcoin, you'll probably start tracking the price a little bit. You might get exposed to crypto news, follow some Bloomberg articles or CoinDesk articles. But there's never been an easier time to get involved in the space, even without having to invest your own capital. You can just do it by shopping the way you normally do with companies like Lolli and Pay.